Hey Artland, how's it going today? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon popsicle. So to start off with this, we're going to just kind of make a big line that kind of curves up and comes down. Now there's lots of different shapes for popsicles and everything, so we're just going to kind of do a little simple one. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go up, and then it's just going to curve around, and then it's going to come back down like this. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of curve this a little bit, and I'm going to go over, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it back up to here. Now, I want our popsicle to be a little bit three-dimensional. So I'm going to start here right at the top of the curve, and I'm just going to make a line that goes over, and then it's just going to curve down like this. And then I'm just going to connect it right at an angle. Now, we want to have the little stick down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a line that just goes down, and then it's going to curve, and then it's going to come right up to here. And then kind of what we did up here, I'm going to do the same thing on the popsicle. I'm just going to curve it and then bring it right up to here just to make it look a little bit more three-dimensional. Now, there are so many different ways popsicles can look. They can have lots of different things on them. There's just a bunch of stuff. We're just going to keep it kind of simple. And what I want to do is I just want to add a little face onto here. So I'm just going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little circle for an eye, and then I'm going to add another little circle for an eye right over here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to color in, or I'm going to draw two little circles first, I should say, and then I'm going to color in just the inside part around here. Then I'm going to just draw a little straight line across and make a nice big smiley face with a little line for the tongue. So we have a little happy mouth on our popsicle. Now, the last thing I want to do is I want to add a couple little lines in here just to have some detail. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a tall little line that kind of curves like this. And then I'm going to kind of curve it up, and I'm just going to leave a little bit open right there. So then same thing here. I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to go up, and I'm going to stop it a little bit higher this time. I'm going to kind of curve it down. I'm going to bring it up and leave it open just about there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon popsicle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.